Hi, my name's Adele and my daughter developed emetophobia when she was around 8 years old. It became very severe around 8 months ago. She was extremely scared all of the time and terrified about being sick. She would have 3 to 4 panic attacks a day. She couldn't get into school at all. She struggled to eat at all. She wouldn't exercise, run, even if she jumped. She struggled to drive in a car and wouldn't spend any time anywhere away from home unless I was with her. We tried exposure therapy with our local mental health team through the NHS, but it only made things a lot worse and increased Ava's emetophobia to the point of being absolutely terrified. Ava would struggle to go to sleep without someone lying with her and would wake one or two times in the night, having a panic attack. We were completely lost and in desperate need of help. We had reached a point where we were looking at medicating Ava purely because we just felt like there was no other avenue to go down, and at that age she was only 11. We didn't in the end. Luckily we came across the Thrive programme, which I actually stumbled across online while desperately looking for something to help. I had an initial video call with a Thrive coach called Lisa, who instantly made me feel at ease and made sense of the situation that we were in. Despite many emails of concern from me, my husband and I began the programme with Lisa, and this was the beginning of the end of emetophobia for us. Instantly things started to make sense about how Ava had developed the condition, and how my husband and I were contributing to the situation. With Lisa's expert help, we all started making real changes. Our weekly meetings were so helpful and kept us on the right track as we worked through the programme. Now, just a few months later, Ava has completely turned things around. She's back at school full time with no panic attacks. She's running a 5K. She's been tree climbing, jumping on trampolines, eating healthy meals, lots of chocolate again. She's auditioned for a part in her school play. She has sung in a local singing competition. She has flown to America and even done a roller coaster. It was a small one, but to her it was like riding the big one. She rarely has any panic attacks anymore and sleeps soundly, putting herself to sleep, and has even managed to do sleepovers with friends and family again. The Thrive programme has also made changes to myself and my husband. We've changed our parenting styles, our outlooks on life and our beliefs. And these changes have also made our lives a lot happier and a lot more successful. We can't thank Rob, Lisa and the Thrive programme enough. They have helped us to give Ava her life back and hugely improved ours. I honestly believed that emetophobia is something Ava would be battling with for the rest of her life. The idea of her being completely emetophobia-free just was not in the cards for what I could see. But now I can honestly say that despite some of the remaining unhelpful thinking styles she continues to challenge every day, I know she will overcome, and she now is emetophobia-free. If you are looking for help with emetophobia or any type of mental health need, I cannot recommend the Thrive programme enough. It seems so simple and yet it makes such a huge difference. With the Thrive programme, you can have the power to change your situation completely, and we all have that ability to do that. Sometimes we just don't see it. So thank you to the Thrive programme. Thank you to Rob. Thank you to Lisa, our coach. You've given us our daughter back and you've given us much better lives. So go for it, get stuck in and make a change. Thank you.